everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be teaching you how to do gel X nails, a full set, and just stay tuned if you want to watch and learn. Right here is a photo for my inspiration from Pinterest. Let's get started. Okay, so these are the tools you will need. So you'll need a cuticle cutter, either one of these, or you can use one of those. Either one works. And then also you will need a nail pushback tool. You will need a nail file, make sure it is 100 to 180. You'll need a false nail tip cutter, a nail buffer, and something to get all the excess dust. You also need nail glue and nail prep dehydrator and nail primer and base coat and a base color for your nail color and your gel color, a top coat. These I don't remember what they're called, but you will need those. And you'll need false nail tips. Make sure they are the right kind. You need the full nail tips, not the ones that are for acrylic. And you'll need a UV light. Alright, and that's everything you will need for this part. Now I would wash your hands and then we'll get started. This is everything you will need for this part of the tutorial. A nail buffer, a nail file, nail cuticle cutter, a nail pushback tool, and something to wipe off the dust. First, you will start by pushing back your cuticles. So you'll take the tool and you'll go like that. Make sure to see if you get everything. And you'll do that with every nail. So we just finished pushing back the cuticles on both hands. And now we will take this or one of these to cut them. I'm going to be using one of these. On this cuticle, I don't have very much to cut, so I will skip that one. You'll just do that with all your fingers on both hands. Once you've done that, you will file your nails. Okay, now you're going to buff down your nails. Try not to do too much. Now you'll use whatever you're using to get all the dust off. Now you're going to do your nail prep dehydrator and your nail primer. You'll do that to every nail. Let that sit for 10 to 15 seconds. Now you're going to do your nail primer. Try not to get it on your skin. Alright, now you'll do that with every finger on the other hand. Now you're going to try to find the right size for your nails. Remember that you're going to be going a little bit above the cuticle line, so make sure it's the right size. That looks about right for me. So now you're going to be taking every single nail, going to file down the inside of the nail, basically where it's going to be on your natural nail. File down, not too much, but enough to make it look like your natural nail when it's on. About that. I just finished all of them, so they should look like this. For this part, you'll need your glue, and my glue takes UV light, so I'll have to use that. And then you'll need your fake nails. Now for the gluing part. So you will put it not all the way down to your cuticle, but right there. And you'll do that all the way on every side like normal nail polish. And then you'll take your fake nail and you'll put nail glue on it. Just the part where you're going to have your natural nail at. And then you'll put it under the UV lamp for at least 60 to 80 seconds. You'll put the nail to about like a little bit above the nail right there. Should be what it looks like. And then you will do that with every finger. I just finished both hands of the fake nails. And now we're gonna actually start doing the drilling along here. So you will need one of these drill bits and one of these drill bits. We are going to be drilling the bottom part of your cuticle to make it look more like your nail. So we're going to start with this one. Now you're going to switch out your drill bits and you're going to put this one. Then you'll do that with every single nail. Now you will need to dust off all of your nails. Cutting your nails first, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, you can do it to whatever length you want. You don't have to do the same length as me. I'm not gonna go too long, about that long on every nail. They're all cut. Now we can do the nail file and we're gonna just flatten them out. And you'll do that with every nail. It's now time for the actual gel polish. You're going to start with base coat and you're going to go a little bit over the line that you had originally for the fake nail. You're gonna go to that and then just swipe up. It's just like normal nail polish, but you're going a little bit past the line. And you're gonna do that for every nail. You're gonna put it under the UV light for 60 to 80 seconds. I just finished one hand and I'm not gonna do the other hand of base coat until I finish this hand. Now you are going to use the color base that you are using. I'm using this pink color, like a tint, it's like a jelly color. But you're gonna go in the same spot where the base coat is. This stuff can get really dark pink, so I have to do a little bit of it, and not a lot. And of this, I do 2 coats. Then you'll do that on every single finger and put it in there for 60 to 80 seconds in the UV light. Alright. So you're probably wondering why I did the pink color on every single nail. I do 2 coats, so it makes the nail look a little bit thicker and it will make it look a little bit better. Now it is time for the actual gel polish color. So you are going to take it and put it in the same way we've been doing. So Now you're gonna do probably 2 to 3 coats. So you're only gonna be doing that on 3 fingers. Now I have to put it under the UV lamp. Now we are going to do the top coat. So you are going to use top coat, and so just go the same we've been doing. And then you're just gonna do that with every nail. Now these 3 fingers are done. Now we can do the strawberries on these 2. For the strawberry part, you'll need a small dot one and you'll need a big dot one. You'll also need a green gel polish color. It's also by Beetles. The pink color that we used here is also by Beetles. And then you'll need this white color. I got it from this. First, you're going to take the big one and take your pink. You're gonna take it and you're gonna dot it. All right, and then we're gonna try doing strawberries. So you're going to go like this. That looks like a strawberry. And then do one over here. You're just trying to get the pointy part of the strawberry. And then here we'll do one there. So you got that, and then we'll do them over here on this side too. All right. Sorry if you hear my dog. He's walking around right now. With the little point, do one here, that one, and then one more. Go there, and then pretty much like that. All right. Now just put them in the UV lamp for 60 to 80 seconds again. Here's if you wanted to see him. He's standing right here. Now you're going to be using your white and the small tip brush. And you're gonna make little dots like the seeds. So there and there. Get more paint. This white's almost out, so just going with what I have. Like that. Do the same thing with the other finger. Like that. There we go. And then put it in the UV lamp again for 60 to 80 seconds. It should look like this, and then we're going to add the little top part of the strawberries. Now we're going to do the top part of the strawberry, which is the green part. So you're going to take your small little dot thing and just go up like that. But I need to get more. Like that. Do that for every single strawberry. Like that. And now it's time for the next finger. Last one. Alright, there you go. Now put it under the UV light for 60 to 80 seconds. Now, instead of doing flowers, I'm going to do polka dots. So, I'm going to use white. And I'm using the big one. Just going. Just like that. And then we're gonna do that with the other finger. Alright, there we go. And then put it in the UV light for another 60 to 80 seconds. Now we can do the top coat. So just get them out and put it on. There's one, and do the second one. Now just put it in the UV light for 60 to 80 seconds again. We're all done. This is how they turned out. They look actually pretty good. You'll do the same thing that I did on this hand on your other hand. Alright. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe and like and comment down below what other nail inspo you have. Next week, I will be making a YouTube video about what kind of stuff I use and all the supplies I use that is in my nail bag. But yeah, all right, see you guys.